Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So somehow integrate this. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, we're going to use trigonometric substitution. So your eye should zoom into this bit here, and then create a scenario, create a triangle where where this bit here is true. So if you make this to be 2x and then this to be 1, then the hypotenuse will have no choice but to be 4x squared plus 1. Okay, so in order to create this, create your triangle in such a way that this will be true. Well, if you create your triangle, it will look like this. And then from the triangle, you can see tan would be this. So let's tan theta be this over the adjacent, which is 2x, and then from this differentiate both sides. That will then give you this, and then rearrange it to make dx subject, because ultimately we want to replace this dx. So we can now put this into the dx, and then from the same triangle, you can obtain this, because secant will be this. So this complicated thing here can be replaced by secant. Okay, and then this x here, we can recycle this. So that x there will be tan theta over 2. So we can put that into the x. Then the whole thing here will become this. Now tidy this up. So you can imagine as this multiplying to the top, and blah blah blah, and then tidy up. It will become this. And then visualize this as sine theta over cos theta. So it's like this, and then blah blah. Play around with it, and then you will get to this stage. So now it's just a matter of integrating cosecant or theta. Now I've done a whole video on this, so track that video down. To integrate it, we would rewrite this as 1 over sine of x times top and bottom by sine. That would take you to here. We've done this. Track down one of the earlier videos, but I have shown you how to integrate this. So if you integrate this, it would be blah blah blah. And then we would make this substitution, blah blah, and then we've got to use partial fractions and so on. So blah blah, and if you integrate cosecant, it would then give you this thing here. So integrate that. I've done a whole video on this, so track the video down if you don't understand it. So integrate it, it will then give you this whole thing here. But then we still need to translate this, and we still need to translate this. So go back to the original diagram. So this was the original diagram here. This was the triangle that we created. So to translate this and this, well, cosecant would be this. So cosecant would be this thing divided by this thing. So we can put that into the cosecant. Well, cotangent would be this. This divided by this. So we can put that into the cot, and then we can put this divided by this into the cosecant. Then this whole thing here will then become this, and this, and this, and this here will be your final answer. Okay.